I want to talk about two kinds of time, the long and the short. Long time is more than a human lifetime, more than the span between departed grandparents and unborn grandchildren. At the upper limit, it's equivalent to the Holocene, the past 10 millennia when ice retreated and humans proliferated. This temporality is predictive as well as historical, covering the planetary future as well as the human past. It is the timescale of intergenerational ethics. Short time is the scale of business cycles and news cycles, the user periods of disposable products, the half-lives of memes. Today, to our disorientation, the long and the short collapse into each other. They melt. Climate change is time changed. Short-term political decisions made or yet again delayed may linger for millennia. With our geologic power comes epical responsibility, the duty of long-term thinking. As a historian, I recognize that the long term is not necessarily humble or wise. Authoritarians have always been prone to thousand-year hubris, and various forms of apocalypticism, religious and secular, have made long time contingent on rupture. The most challenging part about long-term thinking right now is keeping faith in the future as a continuation of the past and the present. I know it's easy to feel blasé or hopeless in the face of so many missed deadlines about the end of the world. In truth, there's still time for meaningful climate action and for compassionate adaptation. Even now, there's still so much to save. We should expect and demand that universities be ethical leaders in long-term thinking. Old universities have persisted through prior energy transitions. Today, gathered here by a statue of our 18th century founder under trees planted by 19th century forebears, we look forward to our 300th anniversary in 2040, by which time this university can and must be net zero in terms of operations and investments. That should be our tricentennial pledge. Thank you.